going to a party. I'm going to a party. So I'm using the Trilogy. So we've got Magic WATA. Hair's just been washed, by the way. Magic WATA, Loc Oil. That's for the very end. And Loc Butter in a nice new jar. It's a lot bigger, holds more, smells amazing. So we don't need this one yet. We're going straight to Magic WATA. Literally just filled these. There we go. So let's go. Oh, hydrating. Yes, I know it's already wet, but Magic WATA just gives it that extra hydration. And it smells nice too, so why not? Got to be out in a bit, cannot be messing about, so just want to make sure I get it all over, so I hopefully don't have to come back to it. Okay, right, so what I'm gonna do, because I'm rushing, oh, no. Loc Butter, and look how soft and smooth that is, look. Ooh. Aloe vera is in here as well, so smooth. Look how easily it melts down. So feels so nice. I'm mainly at the minute just putting it on the roots, because if I'm doing a quick retwist, that's where it would have been concentrated on, and then I just rub it through all the ends after. So I've got so much regrowth, I ain't even got time, don't know if you can see it, look, to do it all. I just don't have time. Can you see? So much. Okay. All right, guys. Why is this towel loose now? Let's fix it. Okay, so when I say putting it through the ends, I do this. Melt it down. And we go through the ends. All of it is forward, so it's all getting some. Get some more. We haven't even used that much. Look, it goes a long way. Right then, I'm gonna be back. I need to get it twisted. Oh, all's fair. Comedy drama. Oh, that's something I might have to watch. Here you go. It's just nice and full and lustrous. I might even just have to plait it up, the way our time's running short on me. It's grown so much, honestly. I love my hair. Okay. Okay.
But you saw we launched tomorrow safaris, so you can always go.
Sorry, right, so I've done some of the back of my hair. And I've plaited a little bit because I didn't bring my clips over. So, let me show you. I've literally just done that bit. Probably would have saw my mole, but yeah. Just plaited it a little and left the rest. Just to hold the root till I get under that dryer. Do you know what I mean? As you know, I put loads of butter on it already. Look at this regrowth. And this little Margot one, I've got a few of them. Those skinny ones are from when I became anemic and had an issue with my iron levels. Luckily, it's leveled out. So my hair's growing back again, nice and thick. Some of the roots, you can, on some of my locks, you can see where they were thin and then now it's been thickening up. Do you know what I mean? Been looking after my scalp as well. Using my scalp care codes. That reminds me, you need to download Locked and Loved with your scalp care codes. Go check it out at www.thehouseofshayaa.com. Main place that you need to look after when it comes to your hair is where? Where does your hair come from? Your scalp. This is why we have the Trilogy and the HMP method. Also, we have the HMP plus G method plus growth, which includes main Magic hair growth oil. Listen, you will start to see healthy hair growth once you use the full set, but nothing ain't gonna work if you don't take care of yourself from the inside. Yeah, seriously, your gut, your insides, it all plays a part in a healthy scalp, a healthy body. You are what you eat, so take care of yourself. So when your hair is starting to dry, you bring back out the Magic Water. So my roots are starting to dry a little bit. So let's just wet the roots. Keep it hydrated. Like this. Oh my gosh. That's next door's telly, you know. Can you hear it? So loud. Anyway, yeah, there we go. Now I'm gonna crack on. Hey again, I just thought I'd show you an example of where my hair went thin. Literally here, this section, there's the rest of it. That's where it went thin, and this is where it's coming back. Yeah. This is my little home-based salon. There's still a lot of work that needs doing in here. I haven't had chance. Products on the shelf. All homemade. There's some more over there with our certificates. Patent pending. So yeah, I'm under the dryer right now as we speak. Getting my hair dried. I managed to, as you know, wash it, moisturize it up with the Trilogy, boy, and retwist it. And I just plaited the roots to hold the twisting position because I didn't bring any clips out with me. Look at those lovely new jars. Look at that. You see the difference? That's the original jar with Nubian twist in it, and this one here, the lid's thicker, the jar's wider, thicker glass, costs a little extra. Love it. But yeah, that's the Loc Butter we have over there. Magic Water, Loc Oil and Loc Butter and the Nubian Twist. The only thing that needs adding is the main Magic hair growth oil and Minar Magic. Wait till you smell that. It's amazing. So yeah, let me just spin. Hold on. Okay, I'm under the dryer. Don't mind that. I kind of like the look of that, you know. That's insulation. You need it in here. It's cold. So here, all twisted. See the silvers all tucked in, ready to go, ready to go. Almost dry, not too far done, almost there. Yeah. Hey, so probably got about, how long have we got left? We've still got like what, 30 minutes left. I think I put it on for 40. 30 minutes left. I just have to go in and put my little, I actually put mascara on my eyebrows and obviously on my eyelashes. I haven't wore eyeshadow for ages, just because I always end up rubbing it off and rubbing it into my eyes. So yeah, and some lip gloss. Wearing, so the theme is gold and blue, gold or blue, or gold and blue, or just blue. I've got some blue. I've got some gold jewelry I'm going to be putting on, so gold and blue. And then I'm just going to be chucking on some knee-high boots, black knee-high boots. Yeah, looking forward. Going to be a good party. Going to get into town after 7, 8. Oh, I need to paint my toenails. Not my toenails. I need to paint my fingernails. Bit messy. So yeah, I'm going to paint them blue. Yes, blue. And that's it. I'll be done. And I think, I don't know whether to drive or catch the bus. I'm not one for getting the Ubers. It never works. The Uber app never works for me. So I might just walk down and catch the bus, because my bus runs all the way around till 3 a.m. So, you know what I mean? It's either that or drive. Don't really fancy driving, but we'll see. Hey, look at this. It's done. I plaited all the roots, as you know. It is now dry. Avaya came and helped me undo the plaits. Now we just need Loc Oil. So when you go to use Loc Oil, you have to take the stop cap type of thing off. Okay, put the lid back on. And, oops. There we go. I'm just going to squirt it on to my roots. Don't know if you can see it. Don't think you can, because that light is not great. Oh yeah, there we go. Squeeze it through everywhere. Oh, and I'm gonna get it on the ends. Oh, it smells so nice. So this is the P of HMP, and it's Protect, and also Sheen gives it a shine as well. Absolutely love this stuff. I'm just gonna flick my hair back that way, put my head in that light, and then I better go, because now it's late. Okay guys, done. I'm gonna go and sort out my outfit. We are done. It's always so skinny once I've twisted it, you know. All that new growth. There was so much new growth and now it's all skinny looking. Hey, charging my phone. Bye.